Ready to lose, Martin? Don't hold your breath, Mia. The battle is in full swing, but we have to take a break. Mom and Dad are leaving. I'm ready, Alex. I just hope I can handle the suitcases. This vacation is no joke. Alex, it's the babysitter, right on time. Did you call the babysitter? Mr. Justin at your service. Greetings, ma'am. You're adorable. And you must be the father. Stop. Where are the kids? Where did they hide this time? But you can't fool an experienced babysitter. Gotcha. Oops. I'm Mr. Justin. Nice to meet you.
No.
Kids, come out. This is unacceptable. You have to go too, right?
Oh.
Well, I can take it from here. Have a nice time. They're gone. We can have fun. And Mr. Justin is such a sweetheart. But you don't want to mess with the new babysitter. Stop it right now. Martin, maybe you shouldn't have done that to him. Too late. The good babysitter is gone. Well, kids, you wanna play? Uh-oh, it smells like trouble. Run, sis! But the babysitter will always find the bad children. Martin, let's hide over there. Hurry up, follow me. But Martin has a better idea.
No.
Art is the best cover. Martin, this isn't going to work. Let's get under the table. Great place. Mr. Justin won't look there, but it's kind of boring, right? Mia, we'll make a secret room here. Great idea. Let's get the TV. Be quiet. And we'll cover it with cardboard. The babysitter won't guess a thing. We did it, Martin. You can't get bored with food and video games. We can stay here until the parents come back. But the secret room has to be hidden safely. That's better. Where are you, kids? Oh, right. That's all right. Let them play. And the adults can get some rest. Shall we see what's on the news today? That's weird. The remote control doesn't work. Hey, are you gonna turn on or what? But a cardboard TV is unreliable. Mia, we did it. The controllers are kind of weird, too. Clearly, it's the children playing a joke. We'll see who's who. Let's find the naughty kids by the sound. Oh my goodness, it's so loud. Somebody turn down the volume. There you are. The secret room is no longer secret. Run! You'll never make it, kids. Ouch! It hurts. Martin managed to get away from the evil babysitter, moving quietly. But there are traps everywhere. Bad luck again. But Martin is already on target. The closet under the stairs. Wow, it's so roomy in here. I guess we could stay here a while. But first, a little decor to make it cozy. That's lucky. There's a ball. I wish I had a hoop. I have an idea. Let's make it out of shoelaces. There's a whole mountain of shoes by the stairs. The materials are in place. Here we go. Cut a hoop from a bottle. And make a net out of shoelaces. Not bad. Let's test it out. And it's a perfect shot. Martin is a champion. And after sports, you can play some music. Oh yeah, Daddy's guitar. You can finally play it. Martin has always wanted to be a superstar. But his headphones failed him. Here comes the babysitter. The little boy is here somewhere, but the melody just knocks me down. Oh no, that's my favorite jacket. Now you're in trouble. Children are so messy. This is where he's hiding. Come out, Martin! And the final chord to say goodbye. Mr. Justin isn't a threat. Time to get out of here. There's nothing else we can do under the stairs. Watch out, Martin! And Mia's having a beauty disaster. That hide and seek is ruining all the makeup. That's awful. It's a good thing I always have my beauty products handy. We'll take it all. But we must hurry. The babysitter is very close. Let's do it behind the couch. Nice shelter. Does anyone ever clean up around here? But we're going to need this trash. Mia knows what to do.
Yes!
Cut out a circle from a box. Spread out the paper filler and insert the dividers. Fill the organizer with all sorts of beauty supplies. And we can make light bulbs from these colored cups. It's very easy. The secret beauty room. Who doesn't dream of one? And now for the most important part. Let's fix our makeup. There's no way the babysitter will find the secret room behind the couch. But you can't fool Mr. Justin. However, hide and seek will have to be postponed. There's a fire! Get the extinguisher!
What?
Is that you? I'm gonna get you now. Not today, Mr. Justin. Go powder your nose. Beauty hurts. But there is worse news. She got away. What was she doing here? A makeup bag? That's a good one. Kids are so creative. The horizon is clear. There's only one way out. Get under the bed. We hide the evidence and we're done. But there's also Mia. Hide and seek is over.
No.
The babysitter's getting to her now.
Dang it!
What to do next? Hey sis, be quiet. Get under the bed. Nice shelter. The main thing is to not make any noise. I wish I could get some more pillows. Let's do it. Mom and Dad won't be mad. We can use the light too. And that cute rug. This place is so comfortable now. But now the secret room will change completely. You can admire the starry sky endlessly.
Yeah,
Oh no, the babysitter is already here. I wish I hadn't noticed. Where are those naughty children? I'm gonna teach them a lesson. They're definitely not in the nightstand. Too bad. A babysitter's job is a nightmare. The chase makes even my legs get tired. Ew, that smells. Shh, Martin, don't breathe. But Mr. Justin arranged another surprise. Come on out, kids. You can't hide. Martin, he knows. Let's get out of here. Don't even try, kids. You can't get away. Not today, babysitter. Sorry, we have to go. And I'm taking this hat. Mia, stop. I'll hold him off. Catch. Run, sister, run. How dare you? No one's here. We catch our breath. But hiding is so tiring. Why not make a secret rest area? The balloons are in place. The only thing missing is chocolate. Mom won't mind, will she? An air bath is so relaxing. A spa in a secret room. What could be better? And a chocolate shake, of course. But Mr. Justin snuck in here too. Let's dive! I'm not here, honestly. Cold water will help you cheer up. Balloons? Where's the water? Intuition tells me that the girl is somewhere nearby. You can no longer stay here. I'll get you! Yeah, you try! Stop! Oops, the balloons did their thing. Mr. Justin is tired. It's time for him to rest. The babysitter's getting close. Get in the closet. but it would be nice to have something to eat. Hide and seek without yummy treats is no fun. Oh yes, the sweets are in place. Then there should be lemonade here. But there's still plenty of stock in the kitchen. These tasty supplies will last a long time. Oops, the babysitter's coming. Let's hide. And Mr. Justin wouldn't mind having a snack too. There must be food in the kitchen. Let's find it. It can't be. Nothing here. Oh, Martin almost got caught. All we have to do is close that door. It looks like the babysitter will have to go on a diet.
What?
What's in there? What a suspicious cupboard. I'll share. Please don't touch me.
Shoot.
Thank you.
Huh?
Hey, stop! But Mr. Justin was late. The secret room is already empty, and there are no goodies left. And Martin still has one more hiding place. The sweets must not go to the babysitter. You won't catch me. There's that boy again. There's nowhere else to hide in the house. What do we do now? But Martin's already found a way out. Or rather, an entrance. Come on, Martin. The babysitter will be here soon. Mom? Dad? It's a nice place they've got here. An area free of children. What a clever idea. What's wrong, guys? Mr. Justin is no babysitter. He's a real villain. What an incredible story. The babysitter is going to explain. Oh, there you are, little ones. Have you been watching cartoons again, you evil kids? Please don't leave us with him. We'll be good. Don't touch us, you monster. Take off your suit. Get some rest and don't worry about the kids. But Mr. Justin is a classic villain. He's not that easy to figure out. Behave yourselves. You kids have had your fun. Ready or not, here I come. Hide!